G'day and welcome back to Fun with Canva. It's been a great couple of days. Been doing some tutorials and uploading them to YouTube. So please, just a quick one. If you can jump on my YouTube channel, which will be in the comments in the link, and post it on my Facebook group page also, that would be great. Please subscribe, like, and drop a comment. Press the notification button to be advised of any other tutorials. So let's get stuck into it. So in this tutorial we're going to look at the Canva apps, and a few that I quite like and have done a few tutorials on before. That is the Reflection app and the Long Shadow app. So how do we get to it? Well, once you've uploaded or loaded the Canva main page, you come over here to the app section, click on apps, and in the search bar for the apps here you can type Long Shadow or you can type Easy Reflection. So we've got the Easy Reflection one that's come up straight away here, so we'll use that first. So what we do is we just click on the image there, or the icon, and we can use in existing design or we can use in new design. So I'm going to use in a new design, so I'll press that one, and I like to use the Instagram portrait for this one. Alright, so we'll click on that one there. That will load up a canvas, and when it's loaded up, what we need to do is come over here to Elements. Okay, and I did one on a shoe just the other day, so I will type in sneaker and press enter. Alright, and I'll choose a simple single shoe, so I'll choose this one for now. Bring that into the canvas, come over here to edit photo, and I love this background remover. It's so cool. It just removes the background and you can work with this image. Alright, so just to go over a few things that have now changed, I guess, in the Canva edit photo side of things. You got Magic Studio there, which has all the background remover to grab text. You got the filters, FX, and apps. So the old editor that you used to have access to has now gone. Alright, so love to hear from you what it is that you like about this new editor, and any sort of other tutorials and whatnot that you might like me to do. Alright, so now that we've got our image in there, I'll just drop this screen down. I'll bring this up to the top. Alright, and what we need to do is come over to apps and type in here reflection. Get the spelling correct would help. Easy reflection. Okay, click on easy reflection, create a reflection, and we have these options. So I'm not sure what quite happened before, but I should have come to this when we clicked on the easy reflection app in the main screen there. Alright, so we want the reflection to be below. We can change the offset, we can change the opacity. So as you can see there, I'm changing the opacity, and this up here is changing. Change the offset, and that changes also in regards to the, I guess, the gradient over the reflection. Okay, we'll leave that as, maybe what we'll do is we'll drop that down to 20, change the opacity to 20. Alright, we'll see what that looks like. So we can add that into the design. Alright, and as you can see there, we just drag it out to line up. Alright, and if we need to, what we can do is bring some rulers over like this, just to make sure that we've got it lined up so it looks pretty good. Alright, and then we can drag this down slightly. We can also just rotate that one. Okay. Bring it up. Alright, so that's our basic reflection. And what we can also do to this is we can change the background color. We can add that in there. And I guess when you add a background color, you can it sort of looks like shiny. Makes it look a little bit more sort of realistic that it's a reflection. All right, I'm just trying to line that up with the bits and pieces here on the shoe. Okay, and then currently it doesn't support this element. It's been selected. Okay, cool. And what we can also do, come over here and add heading. And this is looks like a Nike shoe, I think. So what we can do here is, without sort of breaching any copyright, this is just an example. I don't know, we can go just do it. Change that to white, for example. Increase it out. Come up here to position, center. Alright, and there we have it. That is a pretty simple, I guess, example of how to use the reflection or easy reflection app within Canva. So the other app we'll look at is the long shadow one. So again, we'll do a Instagram portrait. And again, to get to the app, I'm just going to go through this way here, put in the apps and type in long shadow. Alright, or shadow. Alright, now where is this one? We go back to here. We go close there. I thought I saw it earlier. Alright, so that one is not coming up. I'm not sure why. Okay, maybe what's this one? We'll look at this one. Yeah, I think it's this one, Extrude. Okay, so adds depth and dimension to your text. So we're using a new design. Go Instagram portrait. I'll just close this one up here. Okay, and it will load up. Once it's loaded up, we basically just come in here, and I'm gonna go Fun with Canva. Okay, we can choose our font. Let's see if we've got this one. Yep, we do. I like this one. So choose the font. Alright. We can go and put the alignment to center left or whatever. We can choose the line height. We can choose the border width. We can choose the angle, the length. Alright, like that. Expand it right out. We can choose the face color. We can choose the shadow color. Alright, I'm going to keep it black. Alright, and then all we do is we come across here to add design. and we have added a design of, I guess, what do they call it? Type extrude into our design. And again, what we can do is we can change the background color, we can do a gradient, we can do any of the colors associated with the font color, except that one. Not that, yeah, not that one. That blacks it out. All right. So yeah, it's a bit of fun that you can have with all these new apps within Canva. So guys, people really appreciate the interaction within the group, on the Facebook page. Like I said, jump over to my Facebook page, jump over to my YouTube page, subscribe, notify and like, drop a comment. Always happy to take on board any feedback.